Now that you have downloaded the app, basically with Puppet Pals, you get to create your own unique shows with animations, and you can add your audio in real time. You can also save them. So it really plays well with your creativity if you want to do a story. If I click on the app, this is what I see. So I will go to play. There's also a really good tutorial that you could play before you start doing your stories. So the first thing we have to choose, if you want to go further, you can add a photo that you have taken, but I will just decide to choose the farm and see how, first of all, I'm going to mute the music. You see that your farm, it's kind of it moves. So it's not just one background, it's actually a flexible background. I am going to add an actor. So basically I chose the character up top. I'm going to add the cowboy, and I'm going to see if there's a horse. Oh, there is a horse. So I'll add a horse as well. So see, I can move the horse with using one finger. Before I want to do my story, maybe I will scroll and the horse is going to go to where the little boy is. I will add the little boy before I think of what I want my story to be. So if you use one finger and you move the boy, see how it walks, but it also speaks because my finger is on the boy. So therefore, when I talk, it will make the boy talk. All right, so when I am ready for my story, all I will have to do is press the top red button that is on the right. Now that I have decided what I wanted as my characters and what I wanted my story to be and my background, I can also decide to add music. See up top where the music sign is? I chose to not have music this time, but you definitely can go add a music before you start your recording. So if I want to start recording, let's try this. Click on the red button on the top right. Good morning, horsey. Let's go for a ride in the woods and see if there's anyone. For sure. Oh. Good morning, little boy. Good morning, mister. How are you today? I am doing well. I was wondering if you would want to try my horse. Sure thing, I would really like that. There you go. Be safe. Thank you so much. Then you can re-watch your video. If you're happy with it, you can click on the check mark. Good morning, horsey. Try it again. Let's go for a ride in the woods and see if there's anyone. See, now when I go on main, I can go see in my saved. So under play, I can see in my saved video that I do have one.